Abrasive environments need hard-wearing maintenance solutions, stopping impact and wear from undermining assets' efficiency and productivity. Introducing Belzona 1814, the latest addition to Belzona's series of abrasion-resistant systems. Protecting large assets, such as chutes and hoppers, is easy, thanks to its compatibility with mechanical mixers. Scalable quantities and a longer working life make light work of big areas. And it's versatile too. Flat, curved, and complex geometries all benefit from Belzona 1814's easy application without specialist tools, making it an ideal choice for lining or grouting. Belzona 1814 is tested to the highest standards, ensuring outstanding performance in the toughest conditions. This system protects against dry and wet abrasion, making it a match for even the most aggressive industrial environments. Long-lasting and cost-effective, Belzona 1814 offers the ultimate solution for protecting a range of large assets from abrasion. Visit belzona.com/1814 to find out more.